to our Volume 12 kit introduction video. This is our collector's edition spectacular, and we are featuring not one but two collector's editions in this Volume 12 kit. Normally each month we feature one collection and we do an album kit and a card kit. However, for our Volume 12, we're mixing it up, and for our 2024, we're going to be changing things around. So this is a little bit of a departure from what we normally do. So for our album kit, we have these two fabulous DIY accordion fold albums. And with our card kit, we are going to teach you two different methods of pop-up cards. Let me walk you through these albums that you're going to be able to create with your Volume 12 kit. So starting off with our Love Notes Trifold album, you can see we've got some beautiful dimension on the front there, featuring some of our stickers that come in the collector's pack, as well as a few fussy cut images. And Maria Cole has created these for us this month. She's done just a fabulous job decorating each and every page. So to open it right up, we have these panels here, and this one's going to flip open, giving you some great spaces for adding your photos. Over here we have a great little diagonal pocket with some fun little doodads to stuff in there. Of course, you can't always stuff this one in this here. And then we have two more of these flip top photo mats. You can see these papers are perfect for Valentine's Day, weddings, anniversaries, anyone who plays instruments. So lots of uses for these gorgeous papers. And then we're going to open that up, and you can see over here to the right we have some stacked pockets with some nice cut aparts in there. And then our front cover, we've got this little tuck spot here with a photo mat, and this is our little accordion element. And this is just going to flip up. Another great photo mat. Another tuck spot here. And another photo mat, and you can see, of course, they can open up like this, like pages, or you can pull it out like an accordion. The other side, we're going to have another flip top where there was a photo mat, and where this was a flip top on the other side, we have a nice photo mat here, just going every other one. Another great tuck spot. So a lot of great spots to add your personal photos and details to. And you can see, not only is this gorgeous, it's going to be simple to create and really going to capture those memories. So here is one of those that you can create with the kit. And then with your other pieces in that kit, you can create a second accordion DIY fold. So this is using the Imagine Collector's Edition that you're going to get in that Volume 12 kit. Some more great dimension. Fussy cuts, stickers. I'm gonna love this distressed polka dot. And then open it up, and it's gonna follow that same layout that we just had on our Love Notes album. So we've got our little flip top here, our diagonal pocket with the three little inserts for adding your own personal details. And then open this up, and we've got our stacked pockets on the right. Do you have a favorite of the two collector's editions? I love them both, so it's hard to choose, but what's great about this kit is you don't have to pick, and you do get them both. This kit also is $60, but it is a $67+ value, so you're saving a lot and getting a lot for this kit, which you have to love as well. And then open this up, and you can see on the other side more gorgeous spaces to add in your photos. So this one screams birthday to me. Also summer fun adventures, spring break photos. Let us know in the comments how you're going to be using your 2 albums. You can pick up this kit on our website at g45papers.com or at your local retailer. And let me show you what you're going to get in the Volume 12 album kit. You're going to get these limited edition buttons, one for each collection. You're going to get this project sheet. This one is the project sheet for the love notes. And of course, you can just follow along to create the Imagine album as well. And we do have a free printable version of the Imagine album. You can pick that up on our website at g45papers.com. Just go up to the Inspiration tab and down to Project Sheets. You're going to get 10 craft medium weight chipboard sheets, our Imagine 12 by 12. That comes with a 12 by 12 sticker sheet and all these gorgeous double-sided papers. Great cut aparts in there, gorgeous patterns. You gotta love those hot air balloons. And the Love Notes 12 by 12 collection pack. This one also comes with that great 12 by 12 sticker sheet. There's a lot of great images on there and these bold and beautiful papers. So you're going to get 3 of each of these double-sided papers for a total of 24 sheets. And then, of course, the Graphic 45 zip top bag to store all your leftovers in. This Volume 12 card kit is full of lots of great products for you to create those cards. And you can pick this up on our website, again, at g45papers.com or at your local Graphic 45 retailer. You're going to get the 8x8 collection pack, and these, for a limited time, have this great 8x8 sticker sheet in there. You get both the Imagine and the Love Notes, and then you're going to get those papers in there. You're going to get 24 of those sheets, and they're just the size down version of the 12 by 12. You're going to get the step-by-step project sheet, the limited edition buttons, one for each collection, the Graphic 45 bag with the zip top, and our ivory A2 cards with the envelopes. You get 6 of each of those. With the Volume 12 card kit, Carla Lavera is going to teach you with the project sheet how to create these corner pop-up cards. So you can see there's a lot of fun dimension going on when you open these up, and they're just so lovely and classy to see from the outside. So we're gonna do, you can make 3 different Imagine cards with that and 3 Love Notes. So in the project sheet, the first card that Carla will teach you to make is this one I have right here. There's some great fussy cutting elements, and then she'll teach you how to create this fun little corner pop-up fold, and makes it so simple and easy to follow along. And then you've got to love this double pop-up that you will learn in the project sheet as well. Really utilizing those great new stickers in the collection and adding some fun fussy cuts as well. So you're going to get a lot of products to make these 6 cards, and you'll have a lot of great leftovers so you can create more cards or use it on other paper crafting projects. If you like these projects, be sure to become a subscriber. You can subscribe to the albums or just the cards, and you'll get those sent directly to you in the mail when they're available. You get a lot of fun perks for being a subscriber, including you're going to get the kits before they're even available online, and a lot of them do sell out, so it's great for that as well. You get those exclusive Graphic 45 buttons with the kits, so a lot of fun, and you're going to learn great new techniques with each kit. So be sure to subscribe to the kits, subscribe to our YouTube channel, and thank you for joining us.